much the storm has gone south and it's not going to direct landfall on Sarasota. So the sponsors.
We love Sarasota.
Someone explain for my vlog.
I might have a pool by the time I come back.
I think I know what caused this hurricane. Me. In college, I have lived through a tornado. I have lived through a blizzard. And I lived through Hurricane Dorian.
Not everything has to be fucking about me.
Okay. I will pop this air mattress.
I don't sleep in the air mattress.
This is my mattress. Can someone explain to me what's going on for my vlog?
I had a hurricane now.
There's a hurricane.
Yeah, hurricane.
Oh, it's gonna be okay. That's all.
Yeah.
Manifest. It's gonna be okay.
Where's my tarot deck?
Yeah.
Ask Carol.
Ask the spirits what they think.
If your tarot card's giving me a shit answer, we're using the sleep all app.
What are we asking this shit?
Are we gonna be okay?
Is my house gonna be okay?
Is Sarasota gonna be okay? Is Thesis gonna be okay? That's
Queen of Cups.
What's Queen of Cups? Sorry. The Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups.
Caring and compassion. Sensitive to others' feeling and has a trustworthy intuition. That's my house.
fair.
Okay, so shoot on schedule. October 7, 8, 14, 15. Okay to be okay.
Do we have time to be fucking around? Yes.
Point at me.
You can't even see me.
I've never laughed this hard, but I'm laughing because of you guys.
Bro, they're gonna close. Public's closing, let's go. Huh?
What?
She's on the phone, let's go.
She's in here. Ooh, there's Cheerios in here. That's survival of the fittest. And green cheese.
Literally we got till February next year, we're fine.
Go Mimi! Go Mimi! Go! Go! Go Mimi!
Give us an update.
An update. There's no more jungle gardens. There's not.
Patrick's house is gone.
Patrick has time.
No, bro, that's just a sign.
We're joking.
Okay, there's no.
Day 26. We're still stuck in Melbourne.
Minecraft.
The Wi-Fi is still on.
The Wi-Fi is so bad that sometimes I just have to stare at a fucking tree until it loads, and then I'm like, okay, now I can continue again.
Wheezy and Ivy Wheezy.
We're all the 7 dwarves.
I think actually, realistically, Darcy should get Wheezy and I should get Queasy.
This house is just leaping.
Cheers.
It's so nice.
I know, that's why I got
God. Vegan.
They are vegan.
3. Selfie.
Why do we have this shot?
Tell us what's going on, babe.
How was that? I've seen 12. I'm just like we're in a hurricane and we have pizza boxes.
Where are we going? Kava.
Play. 'Cause I'm the night in your mind. You hear the only thing on mine. Wanna tell you all the time, but I know she likes boys that play guitar. It's Friday.
It's sunny. The sun's finally out. And we're going to get coffee because we have to do thesis.
Like every morning. That might give me sustenance. Bro, pick it up. And then set it back down.
Well, what was your name?
Barbie.
Mine doesn't look that good anymore.
Wait, I want to get close. Do I look cool?
Yeah.
Darby.
I know she's gonna break my heart. I know she likes me when I play it cool. I can't help it, I hate the rules. I know she's gonna break my heart, but I don't fucking care that she don't fucking care. I'm tripping over I'm tripping over air, trying to get it right.
I thought she was gonna say the car.
Holiday, oh holiday, and the best one of the year. Dozing off underneath my sheets while I cover both my ears. But if I wait for a holiday, could it stop my fear to go away on a summer's day? Never seemed so clear.
Oh God, not again.
Hi.
Hello.
This is like, you know, in the movies where like the woman dies like within the first 10 minutes and it's always a flashback and she's like,
Bring it closer.
Do it again, do it again.
I was gonna lick it.
Lick it.
I can't reach.
A vegetarian since the invasion. She never seen the word bombs. She never seen the word bombs blown up tonight.
see that drip? Wait, can I show my earrings? Do you see it?
Darcy got kids. So did Nick.
Some guy was threatening to kill people Yeah. And then I look at the next one. Cookie don't
Wait, hold on, I can't understand what she's saying.
What happened?
Look at that. That's so many fries.
Yeah, what'd you get?
Some fries.